Skip Squad, what's up? It's Miss Brown again. Hope you guys are good. I'm back again with a new tutorial. As always, first of all, please like, share, subscribe, spread the word. Skip Squad Fitness. I'm here to start a movement. I'm just here to keep you guys fit the fun way and with your skipping ropes. Okay, so for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to work your legs more. Get you some nice defined legs, some nice defined calves with your skipping rope. So we're going to do a step, a one-legged skipping step to get you on that kind of flow, and then I'm going to teach you just 2 basic exercises that you can do every day, even 30 of those a day, to help you build strong calf muscles and great legs like these. All right, so let's get going. So the skip that I'm going to teach you is literally one-legged skip, but you'll be rotating left and right, so you'll be zigzagging on one foot. Essentially, you'll go like this. Now, this step is really going to engage your core, and if you really work hard at it, you're really going to work your thighs as well as your calves. So it's quite a hard step, but again, as always, stretch before you start, warm up your ankles, and keep it moving. Let's do this. Carry on. Let's see, give it a go. Go on. That's it. Left, right, because the more you move left and right, the more you engage your core, the more you get towards getting abs like these. I'll do it one more time. Let's go. There you go. So just 5 to 10 minutes a day of that is going to give you stronger legs, keep you fitter, get you out in the sun to get your vitamin D, work your core as well, and make you feel good. Right, so the step I was going to teach you for getting your legs stronger is just a quick, easy exercise you can do anytime, anywhere. You literally stand like this, and then you get on your toes like that, and that's it. If you can do, let's say 30 of those a day for the week, you're going to see great improvements on your legs. Also, if you want to work your glutes as well, all you got to do is, you know what you do, you just squeeze your glutes in as you go up, and that'll give you a good glute workout too. Yeah. Okay, so that's one. Another one that's good for your leg is the lunge. So essentially, you're going to just do this. So with that step, you keep your back straight, your shoulders relaxed, you keep your face facing forward, and you keep your feet just a nice steps distance apart. Your knees go close to the floor, but it gives it about 1 inch or 1 centimeter off the floor. Again, if you do 30 of those a day, you're going to help yourself get towards getting legs strong, fit, that'll keep you skipping too. So thanks for tuning in again, guys. Don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. I'm starting the movement, Skip Squad Fitness. Like, share, keep practicing, get out in the sun, skip, dance, live your best life.